Welcome to the best picks. The best Smoke Grabber Ashtray is probably one of the most innovative solutions for smokers seeking a cleaner and more pleasant experience. It tackles the age-old problem of ash and lingering odors, offering a modern approach to managing your smoking area. This ashtray promises to revolutionize your smoking experience, making it more enjoyable and less of a hassle to maintain a tidy space. Number 5. Holmes HAPF7 U8 Smoke Grabber Ashtray Filter. Tired of lingering smoke smells? This carbon filter is designed to absorb smoke and eliminate odors from your cigarettes or cigars. It keeps the air fresh and clean. This package includes 2 replacement filters. You'll have a spare ready when you need it, ensuring continuous odor elimination. This filter is compatible with several Holmes models, including HAP70, HAP75, and HAP76. It's a perfect fit for your existing ashtray. This is a direct replacement for your ashtray filter. It's easy to install and will keep your space smelling fresh. It's a simple solution for a common problem. The carbon filter effectively traps smoke and odors. It uses advanced technology to ensure a clean and pleasant environment. This helps to keep your home fresh. This filter fits multiple Holmes models, including HAP70, HAP75, HAP76, at 100, and at 101. Make sure it's the right fit for your device. What we like. This filter effectively eliminates cigarette odors with its carbon filter. It's designed to absorb smoke, keeping your space fresh. If you're looking to maintain a clean and odor-free environment, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. Helps rid air of smoke. These are perfect for my smokeless ashtray. I don't smoke cigarettes as I'm allergic, but I use this for my medication. It's very helpful. Yes, you can still smell it, but not as much, and the smoke definitely goes into the filter as it's pulled into the fan inside the ashtray. Filters work very well. Number 4. Stainless steel windproof ashtray with lid. This windproof outdoor ashtray is crafted from heavy-duty, high-quality stainless steel. It's built to last, never deforming, and is both windproof and rainproof. The ashtray comes with a lid, perfectly containing ash and cigarette butts. This design minimizes odors, keeping your table clean and your environment pleasant. The bottom of the ashtray is designed to prevent slipping and scratching. It's stable even in windy or rainy conditions, and its minimalist design complements any furniture. This covered ashtray is suitable for various settings, including homes, yards, offices, bars, cafes, hotels, restaurants, parties, and buffets. It's a versatile addition to any space. We ensure quality with a strict inspection process before shipping. If you encounter any damage, we offer a free replacement service, guaranteeing your satisfaction. What we like. This ashtray is built with heavy-duty stainless steel, making it windproof and rainproof. The lid effectively traps ash and reduces odor, keeping your table clean. If you enjoy smoking outdoors and need a durable, weather-resistant solution, this is the one for you. What people say. This is great. It is heavy enough to not blow away and keeps everything clean and ash-free. The tight sealing lid traps smoke and prevents ashes from blowing away, no more chasing debris. High-quality stainless steel, won't rust, crack, or fade, even after months outdoors. Easy to clean, the removable inner tray makes dumping ash quick and mess-free. Number 3. Vintage Globe Ashtray with Lid, Zinc Alloy. This ashtray is crafted from high-quality zinc alloy metal. It's designed to resist fading and rust, ensuring it remains durable and easy to clean after long-term use. Featuring a unique globe shape with 3D relief patterns, this ashtray embodies a retro style. It's a pretty and modern, handmade gadget, perfect for any setting. Looking for a unique gift? This ashtray is ideal for birthdays, anniversaries, parties, Father's Day, or Christmas. It's a thoughtful present for both men and women. The ashtray stands approximately 12.3 centimeters tall with a base diameter of 7 centimeters. The ball diameter is about 10 centimeters, making it a compact yet functional accessory. The lid of this ashtray can be opened and removed for easy use. It includes a cigarette holder and can also serve as a storage box or small trash receptacle. It's versatile and practical. What we like. The ashtray features a unique retro globe design, crafted from durable zinc alloy. It's not only a functional ashtray but also a decorative ornament. If you like vintage aesthetics and want a stylish, multifunctional accessory, you should consider this. What people say. It's so nice looking. Noon has a clue it's its ashtray. Number 2. Cool Navy Blue Windproof Ashtray. This ashtray features a unique hand-stamped pattern, making it a stylish addition to any space. It's made from a durable zinc alloy, ensuring it will last. This makes it a perfect gift for anyone. With dimensions of 4.2 by 4.1 by 5.1 inches, it's the ideal size for both indoor and outdoor use. It's sturdy and portable, easy to carry and clean. You can place it on any tabletop. The ashtray combines vintage and modern elements, making it a cool gadget. Besides holding ashes, it can also serve as a jewelry jar or coin bank. The embossing pattern will light up your place. The flip lid design prevents ash from blowing out and reduces smoke. This keeps your space clean and fresh. It is designed to make your life easier. This ashtray makes a fancy gift for birthdays, anniversaries, or Christmas. Cool guarantees quality and service, offering a full refund if you are not satisfied. It is a great choice. What we like. This ashtray features a hand-stamped pattern and a flip lid cover to reduce smoke. It's a stylish and functional addition to any space. If you appreciate a blend of vintage and modern design and want to keep your space smoke-free, it's a great choice. What people say. The navy blue color and hand-stamped pattern give it a refined, upscale look that stands out nicely on our patio table without being too flashy. It's been great at containing ash and odor, especially once the lid is closed. Even on breezy days, there's no mess or smoke drifting around, which is exactly what we were looking for. Its sleek design not only looks great but also effectively keeps ash and butts contained, even on windy days. Number 1. Fette filter replacement for Holmes and Pollenex. Tired of lingering smoke and odors? These replacement filters are designed to efficiently remove smoke and odors, ensuring your indoor air stays fresh and clean. This will make your space more comfortable. Get a pack of 12 filters, providing you with a long-lasting supply. This ensures your air purifier continues to perform at its best for an extended period, offering great value. These filters are specifically designed to fit Holmes models HAP70, HAP75, and HAP76, as well as Pollenex models at 100 and at 101. They are a perfect fit for your device. With these filters, you can enjoy extended use of your Smoke Grabber Ashtray. You won't have to worry about them clogging quickly, keeping your space smelling fresh and clean. Replacing your old filter is a breeze. The process is straightforward, allowing you to quickly restore a smoke-free environment without any hassle. It's simple to install. What we like. These filters offer enhanced smoke filtration, ensuring cleaner air. The pack of 12 provides a long-lasting supply, and installation is easy. If you want to keep your air purifier running smoothly and efficiently, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. These work just as well as the original filters that came with my ashtray. These filters fit 100% right on. Filtre bien. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.